So hello friends, today we will make a leap year calculator. You might already know that what is a leap year. Leap year is a year which has 366 days. A normal year has 365 days, while the leap year has 366 days. This program will help you to strengthen your understanding of control and flow. So let's try to make it. First of all, we will print a statement that it is a leap year calculator. Now we will take input from the user in the variable named year. We will take it as integer. So here we go, we have got the input from the user. Now we will process that input. First of all, we will check whether the year is a century year or not. So how do we check whether a year is a century year? To check it, we might divide it by 100. If the remainder is 0, for example, if 1500 divided by 100, if it gives the remainder as 0, then it's a century year. If it gives remainder 0, how we will check it? Here we will write if year percentage 100 equals to 0. This percentage sign will give us remainder, and the remainder is equals to 0. Then we will be sure that this is a century year. So we will check whether the century year is divided by 400 if year equals to 0. If the remainder when dividing a century year by 400 is 0, then it certainly is a leap year. We will print with an F string here. It's a leap year, otherwise else. Print that. So what will we do if the year is not a century year? Then we will go in else condition. Else we will check whether it is divisible by 4 and gives remainder 0. If 0, then we will print the year is leap year. Otherwise, we will print that is not a leap year. So here is the program. You can see. First of all, we printed that it is a leap year calculator. In the next step, we took the input from the user. In next step, we checked if it is a century year by dividing by 100. If it gives the remainder 0, then we will proceed. If the year is divisible by 400 and gives remainder 0, we will print that it is a leap year. Otherwise, it's not a leap year. What happens if it is not a century year? If not century year, we will go to else condition and check if the year is divisible by 4 and gives remainder 0, then the year is leap year. Otherwise, it's not a leap year. So this is a simple program. Now let's try to test it. The program asks us to enter a year. I will enter 2016. Yeah, 2016 is a leap year. Next we will check whether 1600 is a leap year. Yes, it is a leap year. And we will check for the future. We will check whether 3167 is a leap year or not. No, it's not a leap year. So our program is working fine. This is the way to create a leap year calculator. Thank you for watching.